current employment and what we do, we service like a very large number of super funds, right? I think we've probably got, I would say, close to 100 super funds on our book. Sorry, not super funds, self-managed super funds, right? And just within the crypto niche, like it's actually become a thing. We're sort of moving further down the path of regulation where we might get to a stage where like an industry type superannuation fund will be able to hold crypto within that sort of broader setup. Right. So, people who are, let's say, ahead of the curve, forward thinking, they've sort of been on it for at least 24 months, I'm going to say, and the early adopters even before that, right? Because there's no impediment to holding crypto within your portfolio.
Yeah, excellent. And do you find that people who are, maybe friends not in the space are thinking about taking control to invest in things like, crypto, Bitcoin, or are they looking at more traditional assets, shares, property, or is it a mix of everything?
Yeah, I mean, what's that phrase? Nihilism, right? Like, so with inflation and the price of assets these days, like, for someone who's like 2021, they find it very hard to sort of foresee them purchasing property or buying like a big asset. And if you sort of look at the returns that are generated in the stock market, like, of course, if you're with someone who knows what they're doing, they can be meaningful, right? But if you sort of look at the average sort of superannuation return, maybe it's like 8-9%, if that. And it's very hard to sort of outperform that, if you're not going to be active in the way you sort of manage your funds.